So it's approximately a 4x8 footprint, and we have to add some stabilizer struts to prevent side-to-side movement because there will be 150 pound total weight on the opposite end. So enjoy the day. Cheers. HammerFall gravity powered electric generator project. Completed all the balance beams. It'll be a nice, nothing traumatic or anything like that, or no big impact forces to deal with. The weights will go on the other end. We'll have limiting straps on this end, paddle wheel in this location, or a cog wheel, whatever you want to call it. And so as five are falling, one will be reset. So and it'll just go right down on the line. That's the plan anyway. So the next step is the rack and pinion, limiting straps, and then we can install the weights and complete the drivetrain. So we're getting there. Oh, we still have to fabricate the parts for the paddle wheel. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers.